Are you looking for the best SUP boards? In this video we will look at some of the best SUP boards on the market. Before we get started with our video,
we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range.
Number 1. Ultralight Inflatable SUP. The Ultralight Inflatable SUP is a versatile and user-friendly paddleboard designed to cater to individuals of all skill levels, spanning from youth to adults. This inflatable SUP board offers the convenience of portability, as it can be easily packed into a backpack, making it ideal for those who enjoy on-the-go adventures. The inclusion of a pump ensures hassle-free inflation, and the waterproof bag adds an extra layer of protection for your gear. With its lightweight design and inclusive features, the Ultralight Inflatable SUP provides an accessible and enjoyable paddleboarding experience for a diverse range of enthusiasts. Number 2. Funwater Inflatable Surfboard. The Funwater Inflatable Surfboard seems like a blast. It's not just a paddleboard, it's a whole package of family fun on the water. With its inflatable design, it's probably easy to carry and set up wherever you want to enjoy some aquatic adventures. The wide-body design suggests stability, making it suitable for upright surfing and even some family skateboarding on the water. It sounds like the perfect recipe for a day filled with laughter and good times. Just imagine the joy of cruising on the water with your loved ones on this versatile inflatable surfboard. Number 3. Inflatable SUP. An inflatable stand-up paddleboard, SUP, like the Funwater 11 paddle, offers a convenient and versatile water adventure experience. Unlike traditional hard boards, inflatable SUPs can be easily deflated and packed into a compact carry bag, making them incredibly portable and ideal for travel. The included accessories, such as bottom fins and a non-slip deck, enhance stability and control, providing a reliable platform for paddling and surfing. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned paddleboard enthusiast, an inflatable SUP offers a fun and accessible way to explore waterways without the hassle of transporting a bulky board. Number 4. SUP Inflatable Stand Up. Sure, it seems like you're talking about an inflatable stand-up paddleboard, SUP, set. This particular set appears to be quite comprehensive, including the paddleboard itself with dimensions of 11x33*x6*, along with essential accessories like a backpack for easy transportation, a leash for safety, a pump for inflation, a waterproof bag for storage, and fins for stability in the water. The inflatable nature of the paddleboard suggests easy portability and storage, making it a versatile option for various water activities such as paddleboarding, surfing, and kayaking. The inclusion of accessories like the waterproof bag and leash indicates a thoughtful design for practical use and safety. Overall, it sounds like a well-equipped and convenient package for water enthusiasts. Number 5. Funwater Inflatable Surfboard. Funwater's inflatable surfboard is all about fun on the water. This model is not just your average surfboard, it's versatile and packed with features. The inflatable design makes it easy to transport and store, perfect for those who want to take their surf adventures beyond the usual spots. Whether you're into surfing, stand-up paddleboarding, or exploring on a canoe, this board has got you covered. With its pedal control system, SUP, bag, leash, paddle, and compatibility with various water activities like dinghy rafting, it's a one-stop solution for water enthusiasts. So, if you're looking for a thrilling and convenient water adventure, the Funwater Inflatable Surfboard is here to ride the waves with you.